Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. Can you hear me? Hi. Can you hear me? Yes? Hi. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Can you see me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, welcome. I'm Teacher AM. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Lam.
Hello, Louie. It's nice to meet you. How old are you? Are you 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9?
Nice.
Very good. How are you? Are you happy? How are you? Are you happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Say, yes, I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, now look at your book. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Lesson 5.2, Classroom Object. Now look at this. Let's listen and sing. Here it is, Loy.
Glue, glue,
Glue,
crayon,
Blue.
crayon,
crayon,
Crayon.
marker,
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 pencil case, pencil
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 case,
case.
case,
Pencil
paper,
case.
paper,
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 paper clip,
paper clip,
paper clip,
paper clip,
notebook, notebook,
notebook,
stapler,
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 globe, globe,
tape.
tape,
Tape.
Yay! Okay, one more time. Get ready.
glue, glue,
Glue. Glue.
crayon,
Crayon.
crayon,
Crayon.
marker,
Marker.
marker, pencil
Marker.
case, pencil
Pencil
case,
case. Pencil
paper,
case.
paper, paper clip, paper
Paper.
clip,
Paper.
notebook,
Notebook.
notebook, stapler, stapler, globe, globe, tape, tape,
Nice. Glue, crayon, marker, pencil case, paper, Paper clip. Notebook. Stapler. Glue. Tape. Wow. Well done. Give me a high five. High five. Very good. Now look, listen, and repeat. Glue.
Blue.
Very good. Okay, what is this? It's a glue.
Blue.
Great job. One more. It's glue.
It's glue.
It's glue.
Glue.
One more. It's glue.
Blue.
All
Glue.
right. Look at this. Listen and repeat.
Marker.
Marker.
Very good. One more. Marker. Marker.
Marker.
Great
Marker.
job. What is it?
Marker.
Yay! Do you have a marker? Yes or no?
Marker. Marker.
Listen. Do you have a marker? Yes or no?
Marker.
All
Marker.
right. Yay. Okay, listen. Wait a minute. Do you have a marker?
Bạn có điểm đánh dấu không?
Do you have a marker?
Marker.
Yes or no?
Bạn có điểm đánh dấu không?
Yes.
Very good. Say, yes, I do. Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Do.
One more. Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
No. Yes, I do.
Very good. Give me a high five. Nice. Okay, now look at this. Listen.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Very good. What is this?
Pencil case.
Yay! Do you have a pencil case? Yes or no?
Pencil case.
All right. Okay, listen. Do you have a pencil case?
Bạn có hộp bút chì không?
Do you have a pencil case?
Yes. Yes.
Great. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, give me a high five. Very good. Okay, look, listen.
Paper.
Paper.
Very good. What's this?
Paper.
Yay! Do you have a paper? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, look and listen.
Paper clip.
Paper clip.
Very good. Okay, now what's this?
Paper clip.
Very good. Give me a high five again. Nice. All right. Listen to this.
Book.
Notebook.
Notebook.
One more.
Notebook.
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 Very good. Do you have a notebook?
A notebook.
Do you have
A,
a notebook? Yes or no?
a notebook. A notebook.
Do you have a notebook?
Bạn có sổ ghi chép không?
Yes.
Great. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay. Now look and read. Okay? Look, look, look. Do
Look,
you have
do you
a marker?
have marker?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
No, I do.
Very good. Okay, now look, look. Do you have a notebook? Yes or no?
Yes, I know.
Listen.
Bạn có sổ ghi chép không?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
One more. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay, look. Do you have a paper clip?
Bible clip. Bible clip.
Look. Do you have a paper clip? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I know. Do.
Yes, I do. Great job. High five. Nice. Okay, now look, look, look. Do you have a paper?
Bible.
Do you have a paper?
Bible.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
All right. Now let's look at this one. Let's look and read. Okay, what school objects do you
What
have?
do you
Okay,
have?
listen. What school objects do you have?
Bạn có những đồ vật học nào?
I have marker.
Marker.
I have marker.
I have a marker.
Yes. Okay. Now look and circle. There is one example. What's this? Glue.
Blue.
Okay? Glue.
Blue.
Your turn. What's this? Look at the picture. You read and tick the box of the correct answer.
Nhìn vào bức tranh bạn đọc và chọn ô câu trả lời đúng.
Oh, tick the box. Tick.
Nhìn vào bức tranh bạn đọc và đánh dấu vào ô câu trả lời đúng.
Look, read,
Look.
and tick the box. Okay? Look, look. What's this? You can do it. You can do it. What's this?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes. Yes.
what's this? A pencil case or a pencil?
Yes.
A pencil case or a pencil?
Nhìn vào bức tranh bạn đọc và đánh dấu vào ô câu trả lời đúng.
Okay. What's this? Pencil case.
Pencil
Okay.
case.
Look, look. What's this?
Yes.
It's a. What's
Yes.
this?
Yes.
What's this?
What
It's
this?
a. It's a paper. Okay. Look,
Paper.
what's this? Look, what's
Look.
this?
What this?
Đây là gì?
What's this?
What this?
It's a notebook.
Notebook.
Okay. Now look and circle the correct answer. One more. Look and circle the correct answer. Okay?
Okay.
Nhìn vào khoanh tròn câu trả lời đúng nhé.
Okay. Look and say, what is it? What is it? It's a glue.
What is,
Your turn. What is it?
what is it?
It's a
E,
look. What's this? It's a marker.
market.
Marker.
Market.
Very
Market.
good. Okay. Look. What is this? It's a
E, it,
paper clip.
paper clip. Paper clip.
It's a
E,
paper clip.
it, paper clip.
All right. Now look. What's this? It's a
It, it,
it's a
it,
rubber.
it,
Rubber.
rubber.
All right. How about this? What is it? It's a
It, it,
it's a crayon.
crayon.
Nice. It's a crayon.
It, crayon.
Great job. Now look, what is it?
Pencil case.
Very good. Say it's a pencil case.
It, pencil case.
Great job. Give me a high 10. Nice. You've got one big candy for that. Very good. Okay, now look and write the number. There is one example. What's this? Marker.
Market.
Marker.
Market.
Great job. Okay, now your turn. Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Where is the pencil case? Where?
Pencil case.
Okay, look. You look at the pictures, you look at the numbers, you read the words, and write the correct number. Okay?
Các bạn nhìn vào hình, các bạn nhìn vào các con số, các bạn đọc chữ và viết đúng số nhé.
All right. Look. Marker.
Market.
Where is the marker? Right here. What number?
Right.
1. Number 1. Yay. Look. Pencil case. Pencil case. Where is it?
Three.
Very good. Okay. Paper clip. Where? Paper clip. Where?
Five.
That's right. Okay. Look. Paper. Where is it? Where?
Six.
What number?
Six.
Try
Six.
again. Paper. Where?
Four.
Nice try. It's number
Three.
2.
Two.
2. Okay, now look. Glue.
Blue. Blue.
Where is the glue?
Blue.
Glue.
Blue.
Number? Where?
Blue.
6. Okay, your turn. Notebook. Where is the notebook?
Four.
Very good. Okay, last one. Paper. Where is the paper? Paper. Number?
3. 2.
2. Yay! Give me a high 10. Very good. All right, you've got one big star. Okay, thank you so much for joining. I hope you learned something. You've got one star and one big candy. Bye bye, Loy.